Buying a home is a huge milestone, and it can be overwhelming for first-time homebuyers. With the right guidance and preparation, however, you can make the process much smoother. Here are 6 tips to help you navigate through your first home buying journey. From budgeting to understanding the paperwork, these tips will help you find and purchase the right property for your needs. Consider your needs. When you are buying your first home, it is essential to consider your needs carefully. This can help you make sure that the house you choose has all the features that you need for your current lifestyle and future plans. It is also important to think about whether the house fits into your budget and if it will meet your long-term goals. By considering these factors before making a purchase, you can make sure that the house you pick is right for you and will be a wise investment. Consider a home's location. One of the most important factors to consider when buying your first home is its location. Choosing a house in an area that you like and enjoy frequent visits to can make it easier for you to find a place you want to live for years. You will also find that this area can offer useful amenities such as restaurants, parks, and shopping opportunities close by. Consider the area's climate. Choosing a house near the beach in a temperate or hot climate can make it easier to maintain your lifestyle and meet your family's needs. If you have young children or pets that need to be kept cool or warm, for example, this location could be perfect for you. As a rule, it is best to look for a house in the same price range as your budget. The location you choose will typically factor in the price of the home, so take this into consideration and make sure that you are not overpaying for certain amenities close by. Additionally, consider which houses are available firsthand or through real estate agents. The process can be more difficult if you have to find an agent willing to work with your budget or needs. Gather your savings. Buying a home for the first time is a major financial decision that requires careful planning and smart budgeting. Gathering your savings is important to ensure that you have enough funds to cover the entire cost of your new home, including mortgage payments, closing costs, and taxes. It also helps you avoid taking on too much debt in order to purchase a house. Gathering your savings allows you to assess your financial capacity before taking the plunge into homeownership. The average cost of homeownership varies depending on several factors such as location, property type, and the age of the home. To get an idea of how much it will cost to purchase a home in your area at your current affordability level, talk to a mortgage officer or think about what you can afford based on your income and debt levels. If you are considering purchasing in the short term, buying new construction is usually more affordable than buying an existing home. But if you are considering purchasing a new home with plans for renovations over time, then consider using an FHA loan to buy a used home. Talk to a mortgage specialist. Buying a home is a big financial decision, and it's important to get the right advice when choosing a mortgage. Talking to a mortgage specialist is the first step in making sure you choose the right loan product for your needs. They can provide valuable insights into different loan options, interest rates, and repayment plans that will best suit your budget and lifestyle. A mortgage specialist can also explain any potential risks or pitfalls associated with taking out a loan, as well as help you understand both the short-term and long-term financial implications of owning a home. With their expertise and experience, they can make sure you make an informed decision when buying your first home. Mortgage specialists can help you get the right loan for your current situation and financial goals. Mortgage specialists are highly trained in understanding the ins and outs of different loan products and can provide insights into lenders' eligibility criteria. With their help, you can find a mortgage that's tailored to your needs and lifestyle. Prepare your documentation. When buying a home for the first time, it is important to make sure that you have all the necessary documents prepared before making the purchase. Having all the important paperwork in order helps to ensure that you will be able to complete your purchase quickly and efficiently. Additionally, having all of your documentation prepared ahead of time can help you avoid any unnecessary delays or complications during the home buying process. Taking the time to properly prepare your documentation can help make your first purchase a smooth and enjoyable experience. This is because once you have completed your purchase, all the documents that you need in order to provide evidence of your ownership will already be submitted. In order to avoid any problems with the sale or a potential legal issue, it is crucial that all of the documentation that you have prepared ahead of time is submitted promptly and accurately. Ask plenty of questions. Asking plenty of questions is an essential part of the home buying process. It helps to ensure that buyers are fully informed and make decisions that are in their best interest when buying a home for the first time. Questions can range from financial matters, such as loan options and pitfalls to avoid, to property inquiries, such as how much square footage is available or which appliances are included in the sale. Additionally, asking questions can help buyers identify potential problems with a property before they finalize the purchase. During the home buying process, buyers should ask plenty of questions about the property's building. Is it a well-maintained building with plumbing and wiring in good working order? Location. What are the pros and cons of living at this address? Are there any schools, parks, or recreation nearby that might be important to your family? Neighbors. Who lives on either side of your proposed property line and how often do they see each other outside of work hours? Would you like to live near people who share your values, or is a more diverse community better for you? Apply for your mortgage. Applying for a mortgage is an important step when buying your first home. It is the financial agreement between you and the lender that determines how much money you are able to borrow and what terms of repayment will be applied to the loan. When applying for a mortgage, it is important to make sure that you are getting the best deal possible, as this could save you thousands of dollars over time. Understanding why it is important to apply for your mortgage when buying a home for the first time can help ensure that you make an informed decision on taking out a loan to purchase your dream house. One of the reasons why it can be beneficial for you to apply for a mortgage when buying your first home is because the interest rate on any loan is determined by market rates. Both lenders and borrowers can see current mortgage rates pertaining to certain regions of the country, which allows you to see if you are getting a good deal. If the mortgage rate offered by your lender is at or below market rates, then it could be worth applying for this loan. Another reason why it can be beneficial to apply for a mortgage when buying your first home is that most lenders require a down payment money, and this helps lower the cost of a loan because the lender is offering a lower rate. If a lender offers you a mortgage with no money down, then it could be worth looking into this loan. It can be difficult to find new lenders because oftentimes those with established lending histories have the most competitive rates for mortgages. Thank you for watching.